everybody, welcome back to Sweet Pea Farm NY. I'm Michelle and this is Chloe, and today we're going to take you on a tour of our farm now that finally things are coming up in upstate New York. So just a quick overview, that's the tulips that we planted, the apple trees, some more of my the crappy wool I use to mulch. Then I planted a berry patch and these, and then our box garden. So we're going to take you through and show you what's growing in there.
Okay, so these are sugar snap peas. They're really,
Purple magnolia.
yeah, purple magnolia, whatever my mom just said. I mostly just like them because they're purple and we don't have to buy them because it's more cheaper.
What's right next to the sugar snap peas?
I don't want to say it's radish.
No, it's purple
Celery.
cabbage.
Cabbage. Okay.
So we've had lots of rain, so we're out here to weed. Right? And then what's on this end?
This is mixed lettuce.
Yep, and we've started some more of that too, so it'll come up after.
Yeah.
All right, let's go over to the other box
Okay.
garden.
So the other thing we planted in the second box garden were these Gerber daisies.
Mm-hmm.
I like them because I like daisies and all, but like Gerber daisies are just like way bigger than real daisies. But I still like them. My little sister picked them out and I'm liking them, so let's move on to the next.
What are these? Do you remember? Some of these transplants died, but what are these? Do you remember?
No.
Cucumbers.
So, we didn't actually, just bought some seeds and planted them in here. We bought the seeds and then put some dirt into the cup.
Yeah, we started the plants inside, right?
Yeah, and then we...
What are these right here?
Those are radishes.
Yep, and it's called, from Baker Creek, the Easter egg mix, I think is what they call it.
Maybe.
So it's like a variety of radish, right? And then what's going to be at the end? We haven't weeded it at all because I can't tell what's what yet.
Carrots.
Carrots.
I love carrots. Even because they're rainbow, I just love them. They taste so good. And even when I have a wiggly tooth, they help me out.
All right, let's go check out box garden number 3.
Okay, so these are zucchinis. They look good. I think they're doing pretty good.
Yep, and the only other thing in this bed, well, what did you plant in the corners?
Rosemary.
And lavender.
Lavender.
And then some of these are transplants from inside. These little tiny things are transplanted there on purpose.
Ground cherries.
Yep, and those are going to be ground cherries. And then I direct sowed some too to try and make sure we have plenty. But those are the yummy little fruits that are in their own paper. All right, next
The
box.
next thing, box garden number 4, we planted I can't talk.
It's okay, what are these?
Strawberries.
Strawberries.
It's my favorite fruit.
Yeah, and then up here is what?
Up there are peppers.
Those are a variety of peppers, which normally I don't even try to grow because I hardly ever get actual peppers, but now Matt wanted to try them, so we got them, and then the cat ate them. And look what's coming up, Chloe, over here. Just now coming up. What did we plant over here? Do you remember?
Potatoes.
Yeah, what kind?
Purple.
Purple potatoes. So they just are coming up now, so that's
Wait,
fun.
we can make mashed potatoes out of them.
Yeah.
Wait,
If you notice, there's so many plants in the garden that are going to be purple. It's so fun. Okay, last box.
Okay, so the next thing, the kind of finally last thing we planted were these flowers. I don't know what they're called.
Those are marigolds.
Marigolds.
Yep, there's one in each corner you gave me for Mother's Day.
Yeah. I got those from school because there's a Mother's Day flower sale. So I thought, it would be nice to give some to Mom and Nanny and my grandma.
Yeah. Okay, so these two are Mr. Stripey tomatoes. This one's called Chocolate Sprinkles. This one is Husky Cherry Red, which I think was bought on mistake, but oh well. Then Yellow Cherry is here and here because I love them.
I love these yellow cherries.
This is some more lavender that Chloe planted. And then there's a bunch of little Cherokee Red and Atomic Grape starts in there that's pretty hard to see. So that's the last box garden. Let's go up to the other plots we made.
Okay, so we just made we bought rows of stuff
Ground cover,
yeah, ground
like weed blocker, yep.
Yeah, and we laid 4 of them out.
Yep, with just lots and lots of compost on the top of it. And what did we plant in this one?
First
What are these? Do you remember?
sunflowers, Mrs. Mars, I think.
Mrs. Mars sunflowers. And then what are these?
Those are Maryland blue pumpkins.
Heirloom, yep. So these are going to be pumpkins and sunflowers. And then what did you plant over here, Chloe? I know that in this row at the top.
Sweet corn.
No, at the top it's what?
Green.
No, it's that colorful gem corn
But
from
this
Baker's
is-
Creek.
Oh yeah.
And then down there is the sweet corn.
Yeah.
So here's all our little itty bitty corn plants coming up, and then there's more down there. That's all sweet corn down there because we'll eat a lot of that. We should probably plant some more sweet corn.
Yeah. We can plant the sweet corn in there because those box gardens aren't planted yet.
Yeah, they are planted. They all have pumpkins, like a variety of pumpkins. I planted a couple seeds in each hill of different pumpkins, and then swan gourds because those are fun. And then our little berry plants over here. All of these I got at Walmart. So they were all $5.97, but these came potted. This is a blueberry. Those are raspberries.
Yeah,
And then the
raspberry.
other ones are the kind that come in the bags.
Yeah, these ones didn't really turn out well, but
They might get there.
yeah.
So I looked for more yesterday, and they were all sold out, of course, but they're really nice. So yeah, that's our garden so far. What do you think, Chloe?
I like it.
It's nice. The hummingbirds like it, huh?
Yeah.
All right, now we got to go work sheep.
Is that it?
I hope you guys enjoyed Chloe's quick update on everything that's going in our garden. I know it's really small scale for a lot of people, but we have tried so many different versions of a garden out on the other side of the chain link fence in mass quantities and gone way overboard and all sorts of varieties of gardening. And we're hoping that shrinking it down a bit and simplifying things and keeping it fenced securely away from the critters will help us actually grow some food this year. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little garden tour, and if you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button down below to stay up to date with everything that's going on in the farm. Have a great rest of your day, guys.